In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save download from Steam Cloud. If you've ever switched PCs or reinstalled a game and worried about losing progress, Steam Cloud is designed to keep your saves synced and ready wherever you sign in. First, open the Steam client and sign into your account. From the top left menu, go to Steam, then Settings, and open the Cloud tab. Turn on, enable Steam Cloud synchronization for applications which support it. This global switch tells Steam to upload and download your supported game saves automatically. Make sure you're online so Steam can communicate with the cloud, and remember that only games that support Steam Cloud will sync. Next, enable syncing for the specific game you care about. In your library, right-click the game and choose Properties. On the General tab, check Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud for game name. To trigger the first sync, launch the game once and then exit. That initial run prompts Steam to create or update your cloud data. After you quit, watch for the small syncing indicator in Steam and give it a moment to finish. If you don't see the checkbox for a particular title, that usually means the developer hasn't enabled Steam Cloud for that game. Now, if you want to grab save files directly from the cloud, open a web browser and head to https://store.steampowered.com account remote storage while logged into your Steam account. You'll see a list of games with cloud data. Select your game, click Show Files, and you can download specific saves straight to your computer. File names often include details like profile or slot numbers, so pick the ones you actually need. To use those downloaded files, place them into the game's local save folder on your machine. This location varies by game, but it's commonly within your Documents folder or a user data directory. Before replacing anything, it's a good idea to back up your existing local saves by copying them to a safe folder. The next time you launch the game, Steam may detect differences between local and cloud data. Choose to prioritize the cloud data on launch if you want the versions you just downloaded to take precedence. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.